Have you ever wondered what it's like to bring professional-grade cooking right into your home kitchen? Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just love the idea of a serious upgrade, the Akicon 36 slide-in gas range promises big power and impressive features, but does it really deliver without compromise? Stick around as we dive deep into the pros and cons to help you see if this is the range for you. Hey everyone, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Akicon 36er slide-in freestanding professional-style gas range in a striking white and gold finish. This model boasts a spacious 5.2 cubic foot convection oven, 6 burners with varying BTU outputs, and a sleek design that aims to blend professional functionality with your home kitchen aesthetics. We'll explore all the strengths and possible drawbacks to give you an honest, balanced review. This gas range really stands out with its professional-grade cooking capabilities. The extra-large 5.2 CUF convection oven features a 5-rack configuration and a generously sized window, making it easier to monitor your cooking without losing heat or steam. The convection fan ensures more even cooking and faster bake times, which is a huge plus. Safety is clearly a priority here. The electronic ignition combined with auto reignition adds peace of mind by minimizing the risk of gas leaks. Additionally, the oven's double insulating glass window helps maintain temperature consistency, while the blue porcelain interior with 2 halogen lights offers both visibility and easy cleaning. When it comes to build quality, Akicon doesn't cut corners. From premium metal control knobs and a uniquely finished handle to fully stainless steel side panels and adjustable legs, this range is designed for stability and durability. It's built to withstand the rigors of frequent, high-powered cooking. The power the burners offer is impressive and versatile. A massive 20,000 BTU dual burner with simmer, along with a 15,000, 12,000, 9,000, and a 6,000 BTU burner. This range can handle everything from rapid boiling to delicate simmering, giving you full control over your cooking tasks. Despite its many features, the Akicon range has some limitations. Firstly, the white and gold finish, while undeniably stylish, might not appeal to everyone's kitchen decor preferences and could be harder to maintain looking pristine compared to stainless steel or darker finishes. The convection oven is large, but the 5-rack setup, while offering capacity, might be a bit overwhelming for casual users who don't require so much space regularly. Managing multiple racks can sometimes lead to uneven heat distribution in real-world cooking scenarios if not carefully monitored. Another potential downside is the learning curve associated with the multiple burner sizes and power levels. While this setup is great for pros, less experienced cooks might find it tricky to quickly adjust to the numerous BTU options and optimize their settings for different dishes. Lastly, while the unit is ETL certified and backed by a 5-year limited warranty, some users may find customer service inconsistent. Reports suggest that while the best-in-class support team aims to be helpful, response times and resolution experiences can vary depending on location and issue complexity. On the Inspect Aspect scale, I'm rating the Akicon 36's slide-in gas range, a chef's choice at home, 7.5 out of 10. It delivers strong, professional-level features designed for serious cooks, from its powerful burners to a roomy convection oven that promotes efficient baking. The thoughtful safety features and solid build quality add to its appeal, making it a reliable centerpiece for your kitchen. That said, some aesthetic choices and practical nuances, like the learning curve and oven rack complexity, make it less universally user-friendly. It's a fantastic option if you're ready to embrace a bit of a professional mindset in your cooking routine. For those seeking a traditional look or simpler setup, this might require some adjustment. If you're intrigued by the Akicon and want to explore more or find the best available prices and deals, check out the link on your screen in the description below. Thanks for watching the Inspect Aspect. I'm Brian, and I'll see you in the next review.